Welcome to Legal Innovators.
And I've come to Legal Innovators today because I think there's no way better to speak to colleagues in the industry and also clients around kind of what challenges they're facing and how the market is ever changing. The panel discussions I found really insightful and it's great to hear the expert opinions from people actually in the field as well as technology providers like Disco.
I came to Legal Innovators, it's my first year at Legal Innovators, and I was just curious to see what the hype about the event was and to be a part of a forum where you've got the in-house counsel and private practice talking about their very real-world challenges and opportunities moving forward.
So this year it was very much about getting to know people, getting to really interact with the community and the community of innovators to meet in person. As much as we love remote and it is convenient, but at the end of the day you just create a much deeper relationship when you connect in person, so this is definitely a highlight.
That is really the standout thing is in over the 2 days. It has been cultivating, reigniting and cultivating relationships that you can take forward to support each other when we all feel as if we might need a little bit of support and help going forward.
My highlight of the day is to hear all the people within law firms talking about the disruption that's going on within the market basically.
For me, it's been the panel talks actually as well. They've been so insightful and we've had a lot of good conversations off the back of those. It's just been a great opportunity to see people, catch up and have some really good conversations about what's going on in this space at the moment.
Yeah, I would say it's a way more collaborative. The more we go to legal tech events and legal innovators in particular this year, I feel like people are really coming whether there is a strike or not, so that says a lot. So Cosmonaut team was amazing, but as well all the attendees, a lot of genuine connections.
Just a great event, diversity of perspectives across both legal service providers, law firms and ALSPs, as well as corporates. It's been fun to see the content broken up into 2 days like that. Really enjoyed sitting in on many of the panels, learned a lot, and also had a blast with my panel itself, focused on legal automation.
I'd recommend this event to anyone looking to expand their knowledge on what the industry is focused on, where it's heading, so they can better plan and prepare for what the future may or may not hold.
Actually, I'd say anybody that even sort of touches on any kind of legal operations really needs to be here, because it's not just about the sort of the core element of legal ops, it's around everything to do with it, and there's so many different solutions available here that there's bound to be something that's going to be useful for them.
It was tremendously put together by Richard Tromans and by Timo from Cosmonauts. We've thoroughly enjoyed the day. My whole team's here because they've enjoyed it. I think this is their 3rd year coming.
So it was fantastic today to see so many different groups at Legal Innovators. Yeah, I look forward to coming back next year. It's been a fantastic event and look forward to continuing the conversation with people that we've met today.